Jesus.
How injury for your arm?
You know, say when they drive motor, plenty motor when they drive, so no brake.
No brake inside.
I go jam wood.
How do you come for?
I don't fall.
What the motor do now?
The motor, I go see drivers, small.
Yeah, it did. Now you drive so.
The motor, if I want driver now, the fuel don't finish. If I on go inside.
Where the motor, where the fuel for finish?
Where this I not even know.
To drink with Lady T. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, To Drinks with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is the first time you just attend the post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel now, Tori, now we talk and now Pidgin English will take the knack our Tori for you. We're not just there to talk, but if you share this video, I believe together we will save someone today. So today, what do one break on today? You know, if they talk about this wish, in short self, me don't tire for this wish matter for Africa. Every day, different one they come out. Which day we talk about goats when they just shoot man put for inside food when they hot for top of fire. Which day we talk out for here? This one now human being where they break this smooch for hospital. If fly enter hospital, they can't break am for the door of hospital. He not fit move anything. He just dead there. He not wear anything, not to even cover his body. I for allow now to watch the video, but I no say it's not allowed here. But anyway, I will put the voice record and small video when I will watch. This one a man oh. Hey God, oh Jehovah. So this African wish now, when world they civilize, people they open eye, and now all this wish matters they come out. I say the video they so scary. The video say, fear not even let me watch am. Because if you even see the way the man look, one of his hand will be like I say one of his feather there scatter now. Other than fire and I burn now for up 94. He just the front of the hospital. He said they send a message, na message with the sender. Now he be they go. Fuel finish for motor. He say fuel finish for motor. Una go hear when go they talk. Una put una ear down. Una go they hear when go they respond. He say fuel finish for motor. My people, mona be prayerful. Only what I fit tell you now. Mona just be prayerful. Anywhere una they go, anything una they do, mona they prayerful. Because you don't know it's who. Because this world now, I don't know where we are going.
Orienta! Wayoro! Orienta! Orienta! Oshe nenu Akume Hospital Orienta! Orienta! Baba Roba! Orienta! Which way for today? Which way follow? Mona pass ide Akume Hospital wish. Mona all me no run no. Which way for? Mona drag go down.
Yes. Where you come from?
Where you come from? What I can see wish Orienta Kiriewe. Ego we. Barra, fly. You want to enter inside the game? Mona see am. He dey find where walk pass. This is happening live for life. Life in Ovio dey happen. Orienta oh. Hey, man, no, let's go inside though. Hey, on a drag go that side.
Maraila. What you gonna do for here?
What for us the family?
You work when I send you. You work when I send you, now you dey go. For here.
The work don't end.
No problem. I do the same thing today, no problem. I don't do this one. I don't do this one.
Say that do this one. Hey, not punish me. What you gonna do for here? What you gonna do for here? Work on what?
To do the work.
Which work?
To do the work.
Which work?
I dey work.
Which kind of work? Which company?
Carpenter.
Carpenter.
Now they do. Now carpenter
And the
work.
capital you do for this hospital?
Non ti posso dire capitano.
Stop now. Let you do the capital work.
Carpenter work.
Give us radio tax and
Let you do the capital work.
I've been learning how day before.
I believe you did before.
Yeah.
What you gonna do for the hospital for here? Capital.
I've been learning.
What you do for hospital here?
For village. I'm not going to village.
What you do for the hospital here?
Hospital.
What you do for here now?
Now, no say one capital work go send them and make a call work with them.
What you call work for capital? They call you
No, I find work.
like this when you naked.
I go cloth now, not the cloth. I dey go cloth.
What do you call usually for your arm?
I will know say when they drive motor, plenty motor when we dey drive so. No brake.
No brake inside.
I go jam wood.
How do you come for?
I don't fall.
What the motor dey now?
The motor I go see drivers small.
Yeah, it dey. Now you dey drive so.
The motor. If I want driver now, the fuel don finish. If I on am, go inside.
Where the motor? Where the fuel for finish?
Where this I no even know. No.
Where the motor dey na mo carry make you dey go.
fuera for you.
Motor.
Mo go fuel.
Make I on am.
Yes,
If I on am,
Eh.
better not no.
No, we don't run. Hola, we believe you.
We are on am.
Hola.
About the motor. Okay.
We are on am.
Ready to move.
On am na, on am.
That's why men no fetch my hospital. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus.
Make I hear you.
I tell you.
Yeah, they go outside.
You go run no. Africa. Go corner. You want climb first? Jesus.
Pass inside.
Desmond. The mama. Again. Na just plantain leaf. Plantain leaf. Begin to program with this go confess. That's what they do. Everything they come for everything they do that go here. Not be like one tie am o. Bros, one tie leg. You for confess. What me? What did I tell you?
The story never end for here, but you know, as people take gather around, they can't call police. They need to come carry and comot, because if they leave her like that, I'm not sure say another day go break meeting for there. So as second people don't carry and comot, so more we keep our fingers crossed. More we see whether we'll hear more from him. Wetin e come happen when be say he can't find himself naked for front of hospital early in the morning. He say na fuel na finish for road, and na front of hospital he say na message when they send. I believe say this story e go teach us lesson, because you don't know who is who. You don't know who will come appear for your door for the next morning. More just try, more be careful, and more dey prayerful. So anyhow the matter can't go, if I hear anything concerning this story, I always come back to come tell you now. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think about this whole thing? Because for me, I feel say this one a spiritual matter, but physical don't take over, because AK people don't carry and go. We go see the end of this matter. Anyway, just leave your comment down there what you really think. Thank you so much. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, I believe together we're gonna save someone today, because person don't know what will appear for a door. Sometimes you'll just wake up, you'll see strange things for your door, whether not overnight or spiritual. They can't put the thing for there. Only God now come. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you through Dreams Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady